I don't know about you, but my leftover game is crazy, brazy. I want to put you on how you can make your leftover game even just as crazy or brazy. I mean, you guys even tweet me and tell me your leftover game is wild, boo, put us on. So today we're gonna be taking some things from our pantry or from our fridge that are usually leftovers and turning them into such an amazing hero dish. I opened up the fridge, I toasted some bread, crushed it up, made some breadcrumbs. We have some milk. We have some leftover onion that I had cut up earlier on in the week. We have some leftover mincemeat that I had used half of it. We have some onion. We have some cilantro, the stems, the dania stems. That's where all the flavor is. We have some ketchup, brown sugar, garlic powder, and fresh garlic. So what we're gonna do first is saute our onion and our coriander stems in order to start building on that flavor that's gonna go inside the meatball. Our pan is nice and hot. We've added in about 1 tablespoon and 3/4 of some oil. And now we're just gonna add in our onions to cook until soft. Our onions are nice and soft. We're just gonna go ahead and add in our coriander stems in order to just cook down. You guys know I love my food spicy, so I'm just gonna be adding in some chili flakes. That is completely optional. And last but not least, I'm adding in the 2 cloves of garlic that I have minced. And I just want to cook that until it's fragrant. We are starting things off with 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. And then we're just going to go in with our onions. We're going to cook these until they're soft because we're going to start building on our barbecue sauce right over here. We're gonna go in with 1 teaspoon of paprika. You just need this to bloom. Our ketchup goes in. Next is our brown sugar. Worcestershire sauce, you guys know how much I love that. I'm adding in a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Just about 1/4 cup of water. Add in lastly the 3 bay leaves and leave this to simmer for a little bit. So we have our lean mincemeat here, and we're just gonna start things off with salt, pepper, our garlic powder, and then finally we're just gonna add in our saute. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this in well. Just a little bit more of cayenne pepper, just for some more heat. And about 1/2 teaspoon of ginger powder. Now, these breadcrumbs, we are going to take our milk. Add our milk into there. And then we're gonna take the milk and bread crumb mixture and add it into our lean mincemeat. So we are just gonna take about a small handful and roll them into balls. We're going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of oil. Once it's nice and hot, we're just gonna fry up our meatballs. So we've ensured that the meatballs have browned on each side. We're gonna take them out for them to drain onto a napkin. Now we're gonna take the meatballs that we fried up, add them into this barbecue sauce, and let stuff bubble away for about 5 minutes in order for them to completely cook on the inside, and then we can get ready to serve. And that is how you revamp some leftover mincemeat in your fridge using some breadcrumbs, pretty much bread that you have in your fridge, milk, and ketchup to make some bomb barbecue meatballs. Yeah, bomb barbecue meatballs that you can pair up with whichever leftovers you have. Could it be potatoes? I have leftover pilau. If you guys want this pilau recipe, you could check it out on my channel. So I'm gonna be pairing up these barbecue meatballs with some leftover pilau, and I made a quick cucumber and tomato salad on the side, and voila, you're ready to serve, ready to devour, ready to take that meal with you to work. Or if you only have 30 minutes after work and you just need to put something together, well, that is for you. Until the next episode, please let me know if you guys have enjoyed this leftover bowl by leaving a comment below and giving this video a thumbs up. We need to get this video to 1,000 likes. Right? So you can leave your comment, leave your like, share this video with somebody who likes to revamp leftovers or who doesn't know what to do with leftovers. This is the video for them. Until the next video, guys, stay eating delicious. If you're not, you're doing it wrong, and you have all these MMTD recipes, so do it right.